So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a page. To create a page is something that you can create in less than 5 minutes. So for you to create a page, first of all you need to have Facebook profile. As you can see, you need to log in. You know how you can log in. I believe you have Facebook account, so the way you used to log in is the same process. So once you log in now, you can see this is Didi Apps Tech. This is Didi. As you can see the profile here, this is Didi. So this Didi now is a profile, but under this Didi has a page called Didi Apps Tech. So before you can have a page, you must have a Facebook profile. So this is Facebook profile. So now if you look here, up here, you can see switch to page. But some of you, if you not create page before, you not see something or switch profiles here. But if you have page before, you can see switch page here. So if I click on this switch page, I'm going to see all the page that Didi Apps created. So without profile, you cannot have a page. So how are you going to create a page? First of all, you go back. This is the home. Then click on this 3 line here. Click on it. So when you click on it, scroll down, you can see pages. You can see pages here. Then click on pages. So when you click on pages, for you, if you not have page, you are not going to see this Didi Apps Tech here. But if you have page before, you can see they will say your page. So you can see here, this is page I have Didi Apps have created. So this is Didi Apps Tech page. So but if you not have a page, you see something like create page. So but if you have page, there's still room for you to create another page. And one good thing is that you can create multiple pages as you want. So all you are going to do that, if you have page, if you already have page, you can see create at the left hand side here. Then click on create. So when you click on create, you say click on get started down here. Then when you click on get started, they are going to ask you the name of the page. So this is where you are going to input the name of the page. So remind you that if we send you the name of your web app, use that name here as your page name. So write this the way we send you the name of your web app. So this web app name is going to be your Facebook page. So let's say your page is about SEO Jonka. So you write SEO Jonka. So make sure that the first letter is capital letter. So you write Jonka. So when you finish doing that, you see next. Click on next. So the next thing here they are going to ask you is that what category best describe your page. So you need to give the category of your page. So there are different categories. The reason why they are asking you these things is that once you are done creating this page, they will know people that like what you are doing. So everybody on Facebook doing different things. So click on this box here. Click on this box here. When you click on this box, you can see all the category here that they are saying you should add the category. If you do not find your category here, see the box here, this box. Click on this box here and type. Like this page I'm creating is under software, or it can fall under internet services. But let me search software. Then click on search here. So when you can see this is software company, web designer, computer company. So this page is a software. So you can click on software or software company, anyone. Or you can still search for internet. Then click on search. So you can see internet company, internet marketing, internet cafe, internet service provider. You can still choose internet provider. So basically it's based on what your page is all about. So we can decide to choose an internet service provider here as our page. They give room to select multiple page category, but it's advisable to select one. The reason why you are seeing my Facebook here white is that I turn the dark mode is on. So maybe you will not see this thing black here, but my own Facebook dark mode is on. So after you select the category, all you are going to do is click on next. When you click on next, now they are asking you the address of your SEO. You can see this help people find and visit the location of your software. So based on the category you set, if you set different category, they will not ask you as this question. They ask question based on the category you set, and it's your wish that you can set all these things later. You can customize this thing later. If you don't want to set this thing right now, if you don't know the address right now, or you don't have address, all you're going to do is click on this skip here, because I don't know this thing. Can you see that? So now you see the page is done. The page is already created. Can you see this page now? You can see the page, everything is shown here. So anything you are going to do now, you click on done. So when you click on done, you can see this is how you are going to see your page. This is how you are going to see your page. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the page, set all everything, set all those photo cover and everything. So that is how you can create the page.